Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have for today? We have a simple SAT question. It says if 5x plus 3y is equals to 3, then find 32 to the power of x multiplied by 8 to the power of y. So what do we do? 32 to the power of x, we can rewrite it to be 2 raised to the power of 5. We still have our x there because 2 raised to the power of 5 is what will give me 32. Now this can be 5 times x, that's 5x. 2 raised to the power of 5x. Now let's rewrite 8 to the power of y. 8 to the power of y can be 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of y, which is 2 raised to the power of 3y. Now we can combine these two because this is 32 to the power of x times 8 to the power of y. Let's combine them. So this becomes, the combination of the two becomes 2 to the power of 5x times 2 to the power of 3y. From our laws of indices, when they have the same base, just add the power. And when you are multiplying them, multiplication law, add the power. So this is 2 to the power of 5x plus 3y. Similar to what we have here, 5x plus 3y, which is equals to 3. So therefore, we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 5x plus 3y is equals to 2 to the power of 3. Because 5x plus 3y is equals to 3. So you make them have the same base so that this can cancel out. 2 can cancel out. We are left with 5x plus 3y equals to 3, which is here. So therefore, that means this, which was gotten from this, the breakdown of this, is equals to 8. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So 8 is the final answer. I hope you have learned in today's class. If there's any question that you are having issue with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. If you enjoyed the solving, you follow through, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. If there's any aspect of mathematics that you are struggling with or any question, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.